Hello, and welcome to Main Street Digital Academy, the only free academy that will teach you how to make hundreds of home and body products as a home business and how to make serious profits from that business. We are Tim and Anita Braun, coming to you from South Carolina with over 50 years of combined business experience, much of that in the home and body business. We will be teaching you at no charge how we made and/or packaged hundreds of home and body products, along with business tips and practices you will need to learn to run a great business. Again, there are no charges for taking these courses. The instruction is entirely free. Your only cost is your commitment to the time and watching and learning. There are no MLM scams, pyramid scams, or get-rich-quick schemes, sales pitches, or workshops made here. Only straightforward instruction on how to make and package hundreds of products and how we did it. Is it a lot of work? Yep. But it paid us very well, as it should for you also. We will offer you sample product parts to purchase so that you can test out how to make the products first and see if this fits your vision for your business and is an item you want to manufacture as one of your products before having to purchase all the parts in bulk quantity. To show you what I mean, when we produce the video that shows you how to manufacture different types of lotions, only if you want and at your discretion, you will be able to purchase enough lotion base to make one or many, trying out different fragrances or essential oils, additive oils like aloe vera, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, or many of the other additive oils. We have over 200 fragrances and essential oils that you can try. We also have different types of caps and pumps available, different bottles and jars in different sizes, bottle and jar seals, shrink wrap baggies, etc. These are all items you have to make decisions on, and if we can help you out, we will try. We will also show you where to purchase all your product parts at wholesale if you wish to go that route right away. As I said, we are only offering these items to help you out, not to entice you to purchase anything from us. As an example, we have 8-ounce blue bullet bottles we can sell to you for $1.50 a piece. And we tell you where to get the same bottles at wholesale for 60 cents a piece. But you have to purchase a minimum of 50 of them. We don't recommend purchasing your items from us that you'll be making larger quantities of, but to test a few might be a wise choice. It's up to you. One of the other things you will have to consider is the freight charges for all the components you will need to test out your products. Freight charges have gone up dramatically over the past few years, and you may have to go 4, 5, or 6 different wholesale places to get all the items you will need, and the freight charges will eat you up pretty fast. I have purchased items before that have cost me more in freight charges than the product themselves. Those 50 bottles I mentioned a minute ago, the UPS charge to me was $16.62, over half, again, the $30 cost of the bottles. By getting everything you need at one place cuts the cost of freight charges dramatically, and that's what we're trying to help you with. If you want to learn a great business free of charge, join us here. The only thing we ask of you is to help us out by hitting the subscribe and the like buttons, and you'll be notified at each of our videos are made available. We hope to make a couple of videos a week, and that will give you time to evaluate and or try out each product. Our academy is new, so bear with us as we make our videos and supplies available to you. Welcome to your new home and body business. Have a great day. Thank you.